dear students, I again welcome you all. And here in previous lecture what we studied or what we discussed the compound that is benzyl chloride. So benzyl chloride, what is benzyl chloride we discussed, then how to form or how to prepare that benzyl chloride, and the one kind of chemical reaction that is nucleophilic substitution reaction carried out by benzyl chloride we also discussed in previous video. Now in this video we are going to discuss the second kind of reaction, that is electrophilic substitution reaction, which is carried out by the benzene part of the or phenyl part of the benzyl chloride. As we know that the typical electrophilic substitution reactions are there, that is starting from nitration followed by sulfonation, then halogenation, then Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation. These are the very common electrophilic substitution reactions. So we will discuss all these reactions one by one. So here commonly we are taking a target molecule, that is benzyl chloride. Whenever this benzyl chloride undergoes a nitration, so nitration is, we are considering the first electrophilic substitution reaction, we need nitrating mixture. And what is that nitrating mixture? Yes, it is 1:1 combination of nitric acid concentrated and concentrated sulfuric acid. So it becomes a nitrating mixture, and again CH2Cl is a activating group. So whatever the incoming group, it always attach to ortho position or para position. It is a OP directing group. So what we get? We get a mixture of compound where NO2 group attached to ortho position or this NO2 group attached to para position. And what is the name of this compound? It is a benzyl chloride. Nitro group is attached at ortho and para position. So we can say that it is a ortho nitro or para nitro benzyl chloride. So this is a nitration reaction. Then second electrophilic substitution reaction is sulfonation. So in case of sulfonation we always use concentrated sulfuric acid. So we get again a mixture of two compounds. This is our benzyl chloride. As it is, sulfonation takes place at ortho position. So in case of sulfonation, SO3H get substituted so at ortho position, and in second this SO3H gets substituted at para position. So again, what is the common thing, or whenever SO3H group is there, we always denote it as a sulfonic acid. Okay. So what will be the name of this compound? As the sulfonic group is at ortho and para position, we are writing ortho, para, ortho or para we say. Name of the compound, benzyl chloride, sulfonic acid. So this is the name for the product after sulfonation. So it is the second electrophilic substitution reaction. Now what is the next? Simple halogenation. So suppose we are chlorinating this compound, so the rest of the compound remain as it is, only chlorination takes place at ortho position in one compound and at para position in another compound. So again, what is the name? It is a benzyl chloride. Ortho position and para position is captured by Cl, means chloro group. So we write or we say the name as ortho or para benzyl chloride. So this halogenation, specifically chlorination, is the third electrophilic substitution reaction. What next now? Yes, a very common method which is called as a Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylation reaction. So we are taking Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. In case of alkylation reaction, as we know, we use alkyl halide. So we are taking methyl chloride. So here CH3 get substituted at ortho and para position. So we get a combination or mixture of the compounds where CH3 is substituted at ortho position and para position. So again, what is the name of the compound? Obviously ortho or paramethyl benzyl chloride. So this is all about the electrophilic substitution reactions carried out by the benzyl chloride. Some other reactions are also there. The next reaction is called as a Bird's fatigue reaction. So what happened in this reaction? We are taking two molecules of benzyl chloride. So this is the first molecule of benzyl chloride. Now we are writing the second molecule of benzyl chloride. This second molecule of this reacts with sodium metal in presence of ether. So what happened? This twice NaCl get removed, and whatever remaining we are going to attach to make a compound. So this is the remaining moiety, and this is called as a dibenzene, because two benzyl groups they are attached here. So this compound becomes a dibenzene. So this is again one of the reaction carried out by the benzyl chloride. The next reaction which is carried out by benzyl chloride is a reduction reaction. Obviously reduction means addition of hydrogen. So we have benzyl chloride, that is our target molecule. It undergoes reduction. Now in presence of the catalyst, either zinc or copper. Okay, so what we get here, one of the H is substituted in place of Cl now. So it becomes CH3 and HCl is removed. Now what is this name of this compound? Yes, it is toluene. Methylbenzene means it is a toluene. So after reduction we get toluene. And in the last reaction, that is the preparation of a Grignard reagent. What is Grignard reagent? It is RMgX. So we are taking this benzyl chloride. So we already have this, and Cl is also there, means X is also there, R is also there. Now we want only Mg, means whenever this benzyl chloride reacts with magnesium in presence of ether, what we get? We get the compound which is called as a Grignard reagent. Specifically we can say that it is a benzyl magnesium chloride. What is the name of this compound? Benzyl magnesium chloride, which is commonly known as Grignard reagent. So this is all about the chemical reactions carried out by the benzyl chloride. We already studied the method of formation and what is benzyl chloride also. So here today we stop here.